back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a really super easy salad. We've got some halloumi, grilled halloumi cheese, and I'm using some kippers there, or smoked herrings. You could be using a smoked haddock. And underneath there, we've got a very simple green leaf, bit of pepper, little bit of tomato. It's absolutely delicious. It's going to take about 3 or 4 minutes. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need to make this super easy salad. Okay, so absolutely nothing to this salad. I'm using some rocket or ricotta, whatever you may call that. You can be using any sort of leaf that you like. Just going to hit that with some black pepper. I mean, it's already quite peppery, but I'm going to get a little bit more in there. Now, I'm not going to be using any salt because the fish we're using is salty, and the cheese, the halloumi, is also very salty. We're going to make a little tiny dressing with an equal part of oil and lemon juice. In goes the lemon juice. And here I've got some oil, nice olive oil. To that we're just going to add some tomatoes that we've cut really nice and small. And we're just going to toss this around. I'll be back in a moment. Beautiful. Okay, so that's done. Simply on a plate. So that's on there like that. Then we're just going to get our halloumi cheese. And with halloumi, you can just get it on a kind of flat grill. Slice it up how you want, flat grill, and then just cook it for, like, 2 to 3 minutes. If you wanted, you could be adding some other vegetables to this. I like it just like this, to be honest. And enough salt in this cheese for us not to add any underneath. And then some smoked fish, some kippers or mackerel, something like that on there. You can get this at the deli or something like that, kind of pre-packed. Or but look at that, that's delicious. That's it, super easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Lots of love.